What's up everybody, Nate Kopic with Germain Chrysler. Today we're looking at a 2024 Dodge Durango RT. Let's take a look inside and out of this thing so you know what you're getting yourself into. This one is vapor gray in color. It's actually high metallic when you really get into it. And the wheels match. Nice look. This does have a 5.7 HEMI. So you don't have to worry about any power problems. Nice little snorkeling action here in the hood. Adaptive cruise control camera, that little triangle up there. Let's look at it from this angle. This is a good looking Durango. It does have a black top package. It gives you things like the black mirror caps and black badging. Four-wheel drive, dual exhaust. This thing's clean. Backup camera, power rear hatch. It's always a nice feature. Little cubby hole areas over here. Let's see underneath. Nice little storage. View from the back seat. Ooh, look at the color of this leather. Can't wait to look inside. Power the hatch down so you can see that. Look at that black RT badging. Very nice looking SUV. Let's take a look inside. Ooh, look at that color. Wow. I'm liking this. Power windows, locks, and mirrors with seat memory. Ooh, it does have the stitching on the dash as well. Power premium leather seating. It's got that nice little logo built right in. Looks like the back seats as well. Check those out. Adaptive cruise control, like we mentioned. There's your little controls there. Little paddle shifters here. Plus you got driver assist options right here at your fingertips. Tire pressure. You can monitor all your coolant, temp, trans, whatever. I do see that it has a sunroof. Nice little single pane. Ventilated and heated seats and a heated steering wheel. On your climate control options there. Looks like a wireless charger. Beautiful touchscreen radio. Oops. I don't know how to get it to the second one. All right, let's take a look in the back seat. Captain's chairs with a nice little walk-through area here to get to the two seats in the back. So this is a 6-seater. Now these back seats, the second row is heated. So even your passengers get to enjoy the little comfort, and they have their own little climate control there. Awesome looking vehicle inside and out. I love the color options. If you like what you see, I'm Nate Kopic. Come see me, Germain in Sydney, 937-492-8005, extension 133. Talk to you soon.